Dollaz dancing just like Michael Jackson. I'm styling, baby. My ops be mad at me cause they broke ass ain't getting no paper. And I had hit her up just like some candy now and later.
This is a DJ Slimeball exclusive.
Hey, DJ Grenade. I've been fucking waiting. I ain't called Big Bro, got that boy 380. On the drill, I was hunting. I was trying to show you at my ops, them boys is fucking nothing. I had hit that nigga that Glock, it baked them like a oven. Baby, I been in the trap, tryna fucking hustle, tryna run up me some money. Taking lean, my tummy flat. Mad at the plug, he saw me some ride. I was tryna get his whip back. They was telling me chill, just be a rapper, drop a verse on that. We pop outs like fucking pill. I ride me a thriller, shoot the nigga, cause y'all stay in the field. She loving me, cause she know that nigga, he's a gangster. Say her ex, that nigga broken, his ass, he's a wankster. Our last nigga, yeah, he known for tapping. Pat his pockets, yeah, that shit like a napkin. I'm gang banging, baby, I'm about that action. Snake head, wonder son, Block 19, that boy go blasted. We put ops right down the ground, we put they ass in the casket. Them bullets dancing, just like Michael Jackson. I'm styling, baby. My ops be mad at me, cause they broke ass, ain't getting no paper. And I had hit her up, just like some candy now and later. We riding with the stick, we be carrying this bitch in big old pains, it's in my britches. Ain't coming out no book, but I'm coming this bitch out my motherfucking hip. And my big bro in the kitchen blending, he motherfucking whipping. You fiend going brazy, I keep my gun, they cannot kill me. My cousin died at the trap house, serving a junkie, he in the field. And they say woo the woo, lagging woo, trying to kill the killer. And baby, I don't sell no alcohol, this lean fucking up my level. My young nigga took him a perch, trying to catch him and kill, you know he the realist.
Hey, now, I've been fucking waiting. I ain't called Big Bro, got that boy 380. On the drill, I was hunting. I was trying to show you that my ops, them boys is fucking nothing. I ain't hit that nigga that Glock.